guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my July BoxyCharm unboxing. If you guys want to see what's in my BoxyCharm for this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the weight of my box for this month is 0.80 of a pound. I always get questions about that. And then the number of the box I got is number 1. It says it right there. And then let's see, the first thing is from a brand that I really like. And this is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this is an eye gel, which is awesome because I always run out of eye products first, like eye skincare products first. All right, so I didn't expect this to be orange when it comes out of the tube. It just comes out straight orange. So it says to apply this after your eye moisturizer and before makeup. So I guess it could be like kind of like a color corrector before your makeup, and it is kind of cooling. Like I could feel it cooling on my hand. So I feel like that would be really, really nice under your eyes. I'm definitely gonna start trying that out tomorrow because I could always use products like this because I always get super puffy eyes. I've been sick for like the whole month and my eyes get super swollen. So Dr. Brandt No More Baggage retails for $42. Dr. Brandt is pretty pricey and it's been like a solid minute and I still feel it very cooling on my hand, which I really appreciate. I think that's gonna be awesome in the morning. And then this is from Wander Beauty. We've gotten eye patches actually from them a couple months ago. This is, a mascara. Volume and Curl Mascara Unlashed is the name of the mascara. Let's see what the wand looks like. And it comes in this like little squeeze tube, which actually could be really awesome when you're running low on mascara and you don't have to like dig around for the product. Oh, okay. It reminds me of like Maybelline Falsies, I believe, where it's like a curved wand. It actually looks really, really nice, like a really nice volume mascara. Really do like wands like that. So that's something I think I will like as long as the formula is like not too clumpy or anything. It's a volume and curl mascara. And this retails for $24. Let me know where you guys find Wander Beauty products. I think they're available at Sephora. Maybe some of them are just online. Let me know if you guys have seen them at Sephora because I don't know if I've seen them in stores. And then next we have a product from Note Cosmetics. This is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So I guess just a blush in the shade Desert Rose. Let's see what color this is. I always get interesting blush shades in my BoxyCharms. Okay, this one I would definitely use. It's like a peachy pink, kind of more orangey peachy blush. I'm super into that right now. I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, it feels super, super silky. So that is the shade. Definitely like shades like this now for summer and then also for the fall. And then underneath you do get a little brush that I will not end up using. I'm just gonna use a giant blush brush. I use basically like a powder brush for my blush to kind of diffuse it out, but that is a really pretty shade. I'm definitely a fan of that shade, and I've tried out a couple products from Note Cosmetics that I've liked in the past too, and that blush retails for $11.99, so that one is a little bit more affordable. And then I have tried this out before. This is from Chella. It's a brow cream in Tantalizing Taupe. I think it's kind of like a universal brow tone. I do remember this actually kind of looking a little bit light on my brows, but I do remember also liking it. So it's kind of like the Anastasia Dip Brow, Benefit Brow. It has the brow product right in there. And then this side, yes, it's a brush. So it's just like a little brow cream that you dip into here and then apply onto your brows. I feel like it's always iffy when they send out brow products. We've gotten a couple in the past few months because of the different shades, but this is supposed to be a universal shade and it's been a while since I've tried it out. So I'm gonna try it out again. I'm just like super into brow pencils, but I remember when I did have that, I did like the formula, and that retails for $26. And then next, let's get into what's underneath like the bottom of my box. And this is a palette from Crown Brushes. I've had a couple of palettes from them that I have liked in the past. So this is what the palette looks like. It's a really pretty, like straight up warm orange palette. Reminds me a lot of like the shades in the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette, but just like expanded. Ooh, I really, really like those shades, especially for like fall time. I would really like this palette. It looks super pretty. So I just went ahead and swatched all of the shades in the palette. They all kind of look very similar, but there's like some orange tones, some kind of pink tones, reddish tones, and purples. It kind of also reminds me of the Naked Heat. That's probably one that's like really similar to this, but there's a couple more shimmers in here. They all swatch so nicely, especially the shimmers look so good and they swatch really easily. The mattes feel really creamy right off the bat. So I'm definitely into these tones, especially when we're getting into fall. I love colors like this. So let's see what this palette is called, because there's like no label on this at all. So the palette is the Fuego eyeshadow collection and it retails for $29.99, which is a little bit pricier, I believe, for Crown. I think that they're usually, like, their big palettes are around $20. I'm probably wrong on that if this one is smaller, but it does have kind of nicer packaging and the pan sizes in here are huge. But either way, I'm definitely gonna wear these shades. Like, I will wear every single one of those shades. They're colors I wear all the time. All right, so that is everything in my box for this month, and then the value of my box for this month is $134. I feel like it's usually between $130 and $160, so it's a little bit lower than some of my previous boxes, but it's always at least $100 value for a $21 box. So let me know what you guys end up getting in your BoxyCharms for July. I think for sure the products I'm the most excited for are the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, because I always love any kind of under eye product, and also the eyeshadow palette because it's all colors that I would definitely use. I know I saw a spoiler for Pharmacy, that skincare line. I haven't tried out products from them, so I was hoping I was gonna get that product. I think it's a face mask. Let me know if you guys end up getting that one, because I really want to try out that brand regardless. But that is everything in my box for this month. If you guys are interested in signing up with BoxyCharm, I do have an affiliate link and I will leave it down below. Otherwise, you can go to the BoxyCharm website and just sign up there. And yeah, that is everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.